Hello and welcome to DEBORAH Dream Homestead. Today we're looking at 5 drought-tolerant perennials for a hot, dry garden. Succulents are great for a hot, dry garden because they store water in their leaves or stems. This means they don't need watering as often as other plants. They also tolerate a wide range of temperatures, so they can take the heat and cold. Some popular succulents include Echeverias, Haworthias, and Aeoniums. Hostas are another great choice for a drought-tolerant garden. They have a wide range of leaf sizes and colors, so you can find the perfect one for your space. Hostas also tolerate some shade, which is a bonus if you have a shady area that needs some color. Spanish lavender is a tough plant that can take a lot of heat and drought. It has beautiful purple flowers that attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. It also grows in a wide range of climates and soil types. Herbs like rosemary, sage, and thyme are all great choices for a drought-tolerant garden. They have fragrant foliage and flowers that attract pollinators. They also have edible leaves that can be used in cooking. And finally, we have another sun-tolerant perennial, yarrow. Yarrow is a tough plant that can tolerate a lot of heat and drought. It has beautiful flat-topped clusters of flowers in various colors. It's also very low maintenance and drought-tolerant.